What's going on, y'all? Me and Theo are going to be doing some shore fishing along the Mississippi River, as well as some primitive camping tonight. We are just getting done with a little rain pod, and hopefully we can get a couple hours, well, hour and a half in tonight until we got to go set up camp, make some good food at the campsite, and then tomorrow morning we're going to be hitting it early for fishing as well. So stick with us. Let's see what we can get into. Let's get it. All right, we got this nice little cart. We got a nice path that we're going to be walking out onto a dike road. This way. Like I was saying, just got done with a big pot of rain. You can see it's heading north. South is pretty clear. Northeast, I should say. Maybe they'll be biting after this weather, huh, bud? Packing it in? Gotcha. Have a good night. Just walking out here quick. Stay there, buddy. Walking out here quick to see if we can get to this point. I mean, it's gotta be good. So you gotta listen, okay? When we get down there, you gotta stay right by me, all right? Okay, let's go. Let's go slow. Oh. Nice. Oh no! It came off. Shoot. So I do have a little bit of a larger circle hook on, and I got here late, so I didn't have time to really switch it out, but hey, we had a fish on. I tightened my drag a little bit too, so now I can really set the hook on it. You all tangled up? All right, there's a fish, something big. I don't have much line or pound test on this rod. What do we got? Come on, baby. Stand down. Stand down. Could be a walleye. It is not a walleye. It is a big old drum. Sheesh. Oh boy. Big dog. Oh. We're not gonna let it go. Just gonna clean it off a little bit, picture with it, and then we're gonna let it go. Look at that, dude. Is that pretty cool or what? Come here. Is that cool? Look at that. Big old sheeper. Got in the old belly looking good. I'm guessing that's what I had on before too, was a sheep head. Should we let it go? Huh? You want to touch it? Here. Yep, we gotta let it go soon. Say thanks for playing.
Thanks for playing.
No, we can't throw it. Because it's not right. There he goes. All right, that was on the old perch colored swim bait. Beautiful night it turned out to be. We got a lot of work to do in an hour before it gets dark. Set up camp, cook dinner. Might be some lights going on. Hey! Out here might be good in the morning too. Give that a shot. Sure, some bass lurking and some maybe pikers. All right, just backed up to the old campsite here. We're gonna set our tent here. We got a fire, a picnic table. We gotta find some dry wood though. It might be kind of tough. Right there. Drop. And this stuff is dead. It's just gonna take a little bit to burn. Okay, so we got a little tip that there's some brush up here to burn. So we're gonna bring the wagon and the chainsaw and see if we can fill it up. Okay, that should be enough. We just gotta cook quick. Definitely needed the lights, huh, bud? Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Oh, I got no, I just want to see it.
Well, it took a little bit, but we got it going, didn't we, bud?
Yeah.
We're gonna be cooking soon. We got venison steak, fajita style, in the cast iron over the fire. Perfection. Medium, medium rare. We gotta hurry, the bugs are coming out. Oh, that looks good.
Bugs. This one would have had two more, Daddy.
Oh, that's good.
I'm making tiny one.
Yep, just wait though. All right, we finally got all set up. Oh man, we got some stuff drying off in the corners. We got our air mattresses going. We got some air mattresses. He's on some cushions. Yeah, should be pretty sweet. We got full bellies in. Dinner was awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'm full.
Yeah, you're full. Yeah. Tonight's supposed to get down to like 65, so not too bad. We should be sleeping good. It's like 9:30, 10 o'clock, so we're gonna call it. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Slept pretty good last night. Woke up here and there, got down to 62 degrees. Not too shabby. Big cat's still sleeping, so a little before 6 o'clock in the morning right now. Gonna get some coffee going. Gonna have a good breakfast because we're gonna be doing a long session of fishing this morning. So it should be a good day. That right there, my friends, is a ham steak.
at that. Ooh. Let's go fishing. Well, look who awoke from his slumber. The big legend himself. Took a squirt, ready to go fishing. I got breakfast for you already. Over here.
Okay.
That's good, isn't it? Dead.
Alrighty, we're all fueled up. Getting there at least. Gonna break down camp and then we're heading fishing. It's 7:40. We should be fishing by what time, bud? Not sure what that was, but probably in like a half hour. We don't got far to go. All right, next spot. Took us a little bit to find a spot, didn't it, bud? Gross. Get that thing out of here. Oh.
So after a long day of trying to find fish using the shoreline, we didn't have much success. I think it's time to really focus on getting out on the boat. But the shore fishing was just an opportunity for Theo to kind of run around and do his thing while kind of still learning the aspect of the game. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you guys next time.